Okay, so this is how I got the auxiliary port to work on the stereo of a 2006 Smart Car CDI. This car does have the CD changer in here. I was told that it wouldn't work, but all you had to do was short out pin number 13 and 15, I believe. So it would be this corner pin right here and this middle pin right here. And this is a cheap harness that I bought from eBay that I had to shave down the corner here in order for it to fit. This is the old harness for the CD changer. When you short out the pin 13 here and pin 15 here, you'll see the radio tell you that it goes into auxiliary mode, and this is the pin information here. So we're shorting out this pin 13 and pin 15, and this is the orientation of the plug here. You got the flat, the smaller edge here, just like how it is on the diagram here. So yeah, you just have to shave down this, but maybe if you buy the right connector, you won't have to shave it down. And you'll see, and yeah, and then in order to take out the radio, all you had to do was insert something round into this bottom edge here, and it unlocks a clip to both sides, and you can pull it out. So yeah, this is a cheap aux cable that was advertised to work for the Smart Car, but it didn't, so I had to shave it down. And you see that this cable has 3 wires coming out from there. It's a middle pin right here, and this corner pin right here. And this is just an auxiliary cable that I had plugged into my laptop to test it out.